I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start right away. Fill a bowl with warm water and add a drop or two of mild dish soap. This loosens body oils and surface dirt without harming the steel. Once done, drop the necklace in and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes. That short soak softens residues in links and clasps. After soaking, lift it carefully and pat with a soft cloth to remove excess water before you move to targeted cleaning steps. Now you tackle stubborn grime. Combine about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to form a paste. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that cleans without scratching when used gently. Apply the paste with a soft toothbrush and brush along the grain of the metal, paying attention to clasps and crevices. Use short, controlled strokes. Once the dirt lifts, make sure to rinse thoroughly under warm running water so no abrasive residue remains on the surface. Finish by drying the necklace completely with a microfiber cloth. Moisture left in links can cause spotting or trap grime. Then polish with a clean section of the cloth. If you want a little extra luster, use a tiny dab of olive oil and buff lightly, but wipe excess away. If a dark stain or mark won't budge, repeat the baking soda paste step and concentrate on that spot. If it still persists, use a dedicated stainless steel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.